When you're working with a lot of documents, it's now incredibly easy to see a detailed list of all of your currently open files. The currently opened files pod appears, and I can work with it. Here I'm going to take the pod and I'm going to filter it. I only want to see files that I have not yet saved. At the bottom of the dialog, you can see that I have the option to save these files, save and close them, or even just to close a selection of files. I'm going to switch back and take a look at all files. Inside the pod, you can also do a search based on text. I roughly know the name of the file that I want to find, so I'll start typing it. Just a couple of keystrokes, and inside the pod I've immediately filtered my results. The file that I want is Product Overview, and all I need to do to switch to it is double-click. With a single button click, I can also clear the text that I've typed in and return to looking at all of the files. Many pods have additional functions. For example, if I click in Name or Path, I can automatically sort all of the files based on alphabetical order. Let's take a moment and go and look at one more major option that's available when you're working with multiple files. As we've seen, I've got a lot of files open, and some of them are saved and some of them have not been saved. Take a look at what happens when I try to exit. The Save Files dialog shows me a list of all of the currently open files that have not yet been saved. If it turns out that I do or don't want to save a lot of these, I have the option to toggle using Deselect or Select All. I can also click and choose one or many files that I don't want to include. Then I click OK, and before I exit, all of the selected files would be automatically saved. Working with multiple files is now easier than ever. You can see a detailed list of all of the files that you have open, sort it in several different ways, and before exiting, be prompted to make decisions about any files that have not yet been saved.